Hello friends, Running Kimono. It is Monday, the 19th of September. If you can get out to Walgreens ASAP, we have some superb deals. This trumps the curbside video that I usually put out. I went to the store this morning and did some deals. So if you can head out, and if these are price points that you think is a stock up, yes for me, get out to the store right away. The first deal is credit to me, Mundo Con Coupons. Lorena, she posted this on her Instagram, and I did it yesterday, and it's right on the money. And then I tested it again today, and it's still working. So if you remember from yesterday's video, I'm like, I have an extra $5, and I don't know how. This is how. So what I would recommend is to grab 3 like Tresemes. This week, the deal on the Tresemes is to buy 3, get $5 back in Walgreens cash. It's actually glitching where you're actually getting $10 back in Walgreens cash. So for 3 of them, it's 18 on the nose. As the coupon is quite fussy, you know what I would recommend, guys? Grab 3 like shampoos or 3 like conditioners to ensure that 5 off of 2 digital coupon will come off. And that's what I did, and it actually worked. This is the digital coupon that you have to load, and it's a 5 off of 2, so that's really fantastic. One of my accounts also had a 4 off of 2 as well. So just to show you the receipt really quickly, the 3 Tresemes, and I got 3 conditioners, and the 5 off 2 came off, so I had to pay $13 plus $1.08 tax. I used $10 in Walgreens cash, and with the tax I paid $4.08. And then as I spent $10 of Walgreens cash, because this is a deal of the week, yes, I can spend it to earn it, and just to show you guys, I earned $10.08 back. So it is working. If you have the Fetch Rewards app downloaded, 180 points back. So that's 18 cents back from the Fetch Rewards app. That adds up towards gift cards, guys. So this is one app I'm always download, and they don't mind if you use digital coupons with, because I got my 180 points. So it's something, and it's something great. Now, if you want to test this out before you go to the store, if you're like, I'm just not sure, I just tested it right now, and I don't have a digital coupon remaining, guys, because I already used it, so that's why it's not showing. But I threw 3 in my cart and did a curbside pickup. The digital coupon, I've already used it, but if you look, estimated Walgreens cash $10.17, it's still working, so it's right there. So if you want to test it out, if you're just like, I'm not really sure, just throw 3 into a cart as a curbside pickup and see how that turns out. And yes, you can do this either as a curbside pickup or in store, however you want to. I think it's a little cheaper to do it as a curbside pickup. Okay, the next deal that I have, and this one, I'm really going to say, do it at your discretion, because if the register rewards stop printing, if you're not about taking a gamble, I wouldn't do it. It is at your risk level. I did it today at 11:30, and it worked beautifully, and it is Monday the 19th. This is the digital coupon that you have to load. As you can see, the load date was the 28th of August, so we've had this one for a little bit. If you've already used it, sorry, Charlie, you're out of luck. This is the exact one I grabbed, which is the Tide Pod 42 count in the scent Spring Meadows, and it's the cold water clean, just to show you a little closely. Just because with these sort of deals that are printing multiple register rewards, you really got to pay attention to what you're grabbing. I prefer the white one, which is free and gentle, but I didn't see anyone hauling it, so I'm like, I'm going to play it really safe and just go with what other influencers are buying. Here's the weird thing. There are some tags. As you can see, it's good till the 24th. So we have a $2 reward when you buy one. Participating Tide, there it is, 42 count. So the devil really is in the details. Now this other rebate for the Unstoppables is also printing with. So why that's happening, I don't know, but it is. And when this will stop is unknown. So take a leap of faith and do the deal, or if it's too much risk, I wouldn't do it. But I wanted to try it this morning, and it worked perfectly. So looking at the math for this one of those Tide Pods for $12.99, subtracting the $2 digital, $10.99. Now, I used $10 in Walgreens cash and paid $1.77. And then, guess what? 2 register rewards printed for me out of the machine. And again, if the machine is out of paper or not working, it's a bit of risk that you have to assume. I don't know, maybe ask the cashier if the machine's been working today. Kind of a stupid question, but boom, here they are. These are both manufacturer register rewards, valid till the 3rd, so 2 weeks they're good for. So definitely going to put those to good use. And this is the week to really collect a lot of these manufacturer register rewards. So hopefully next week we can use all of them. And then the second deal with the Tide for $12.99, and I'm going to show you a close-up of the bottle in a quick second. It's doing the same glitch where you're getting 2 register rewards. So if $5.99 is a stock-up price for you, by all means, pounce on it. And this is the one that I got. It's called April Fresh 59 Loads. So the one with the little girl smiling on it. And it printed exact same math as the last one. I had a digital coupon, and it worked beautifully for me. Okay guys, so here is the digital coupon for this little dealio. So the load date for this was the 28th of August. So if you already used it, you're out of luck. But if you haven't, my gosh, make the deal happen. The last deal that I have for you is on the Vaseline. We're looking for the Vaselines at $4.49. So it is like not the bigger size bottle, but like the medium sized bottle. And it's all the scents that are with this tag in the store. So definitely be on the lookout. I think they have a men's version as well. Looking at the tag a little closely, because I know a lot of you are like, I need to look at the tag. Buy one, get one, 50% off. When you spend $12, you get $3 back in Walgreens cash. The word spend is in there. So for the balance, you must use your debit card, credit card, or bills. You cannot use Walgreens cash or store register rewards, as this is a spend offer. Please pay attention. We're going to have to load the following digital coupons, and my goodness gracious, we have a lot for Vaseline at this moment, like tons of digital coupons, including this $1.50 off. As you can see, it has a long expiry date of October the 8th. The second one that you have to load is a $2 off, so that one's really nice as well, and it is kind of like a medium-sized bottle, so it's attaching to this, and I'll show you my receipt here in a quick second. And then the final digital coupon that you have to load is a $3.50 off of 2. So we're going to be grabbing 4 of these Vaselines on a BOGO 50% off. Showing you the receipt, there it is. And then my $3.50, $2, $1.50 are coming off. Now $6.46, not including my tax, because tax is different in every state. And I basically used my debit card to pay down the balance. And the total for all this lotion before was like $13.47, subtracting all of that. And then I got back $3 in Walgreens cash as I spent, $12. I actually spent $13.47. So right there, it makes it like 82 cents per lotion, which is really cool. Now, over on my Fetch Rewards account, I photographed my receipt because I'm like, yeah, Vaseline is part of their catalog. Will I get anything back? This popped up of $3.50 back, or 3,500 points, which is $3.50, when you spend 15. So I am close to getting to that mark, and it just started tracking for me. So how exciting is that? If you have 2 store cards, you'll probably get that $3.50 back. As always, thanks for watching. We'll catch you in the next one. Run out to the store ASAP, guys. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye.